Well, welcome back to Carolina Saltwater Living, y'all. It is freezing today, and I decided to heat things up with some hot and spicy fried chicken livers. One of my favorite things to do. Guys, thanks for stopping in. Hit that like and subscribe if you hadn't. Let's get down to frying some crispy chicken livers. First things first, got my grease heating up over yonder. Gotta have Texas Pete, y'all. We love that here in North Carolina. Gloving up because it's going to get a little bit messy. This is really no different than frying regular old chicken. If you've never had, I don't think that's a double negative, isn't it? If you have never had fried chicken livers, you need to give them a try. I start off, I don't have any buttermilk, but that's all right. Got a little bit of whole milk left here where Lisa made some banana pudding earlier. Can't wait to dig into that. Got some Mount Olive pickle juice. Going to need that. We're making a quick brine. Just a quick brine. Into that brine is going to go some Tony Sachet's hot Creole seasoning. And I'm just eyeballing here. Probably a couple of tablespoons. Saving the Texas Pete to dress these things with when we're done. Now, get the trusty old blade out. It needs some sharpening. And straight in here with these chicken livers. And these are off of the chickens that we grew out and processed ourselves. All right. They've been thawing in the fridge overnight. Oh, they're going to be good. They're going to be good. Big old chicken livers. Mix them straight into this brine. And they're going to sit here for about 15 to 20 minutes and soak up some of this brine mixture as I get the grease hot. While that grease is getting hot and this chicken liver is brining, we'll take some all-purpose flour here. Probably got about 2.5 cups. We'll take some more of that Tony Sachet's and go in there with it. Probably another tablespoon or so. Give that a little shake. Just to season the flour a little bit. You don't have to do this, y'all. Put that seasoning in the flour, but I like it that way. A little extra spicy. Now I can see all the flecks of that seasoning in my flour. What got me to thinking about some good old chicken livers was I was talking to a buddy of mine the other night that I used to work with. And about once a month we would hit up a local diner in town for their fried chicken livers. They had some good ones, extra crispy. We'd go in there and get us a big old plate of chicken livers, douse them down with Texas Pete or ketchup or both, and just have a good old time filling our bellies up on chicken livers. And while talking to him, I thought, I know I've got some chicken livers in the deep freeze out there. I know I have to fry me some up tomorrow. So that's what brought this on, y'all. And as cold as it is, I figured these things would warm me right up. All right, it's been about 15 minutes. I'm gonna get these livers straight into my flour mixture here and give them a good toss. Plenty of liquid left on here, so you're gonna get those crunchies, those extra crunchies that you're looking for in a piece of fried chicken. Seal it up. Start tossing. Get it all coated thoroughly. That's what we're looking for. Open that up, let some air out. Press everything together real good and make sure everything getting coated. Now everything's ready. Fold this bag down so I can get to my livers just a little bit easier. It's time to start frying. Grease should be good to go. Oh yeah, got a good sizzle. I broke me off a piece of some reed that was growing inside of the woods there and stuck it down there to make sure it was bubbling. You want it hot. If not, you'll end up with a soggy mess. Lay them in there away from you. Don't go crazy with the first batch, because your grease is going to come down in temp. See if I can do one more. There we go. Oh yeah, I can smell that brine coming off from that pickle juice. Deep frying these here livers till they're golden brown, y'all. After your first batch comes out, let your oil recover for just a minute. Get her back up to temp. Make sure that we're going to have a good fry. All right, one order up. There's some hot and spicy fried chicken livers, y'all. Ain't that pretty? Now, here's the trick. Load them up with some Texas Pete or any kind of cayenne pepper sauce you like. That's how I like to do it. Sometimes a little ketchup, but I like that Texas Pete on there, personally. Let's give one of these a try. Let's give another one a try. Between the mailman and the UPS man, you probably couldn't hear my reaction. Look at that. Fried chicken liver, y'all. There's just something about it. It's smooth, it's creamy. That quick brine, you could use buttermilk. You could use buttermilk and dill pickle juice. It just makes for a perfect snack, lunch. It's not greasy, so long as your grease is hot enough. And you end up with these little crunchies all over it. That's better than a Chick-fil-A McChicken nugget. Well, that'd be McDonald's, wouldn't it? Chick-fil-A nugget. That's better than a nugget any day. And I guarantee you it's better for you. Because it's got chicken liver, flour. Well, it's got some spices here. But still, ain't a whole bunch of chemicals in this. Just chicken liver. Guys, if you've never tried fried chicken livers, don't wait any longer. Pick you some up, fry them up. You'll be amazed how good that is. I'd rather have that than fried chicken itself. Big old plate of this with some stewed down cabbage, some pickled beets, and some collard greens. That's what it's all about. Guys, y'all have a good day and a great week. Lord willing, and the creek don't rise too high. We will see you on the next one.